Hey, Nickie Brown here. Another meal on a budget, or actually, this is like 2 or 3 meals. So, we have 2 bunches of kale. That's my tea over there, and my tea kettle, and some paper towels. But anyway, we have 2 bunches of kale. We have 5 organic bananas. We have la preferida frijoles negros, black beans, a pound of black beans. And this is about 4 cups. Yep, 4 cups is a pound. Wait. A cup is 8 ounces. So this is 16 ounces. But we can get about 4 servings. Because the beans expand. Let's see how many servings it says. Yep, this says 8 servings per container. So, if you do half a cup, which half a cup is a good amount of beans, actually. And then we have some frozen organic sliced peaches. So this is for a smoothie. If you have oatmeal, you can thaw the peaches out and have you some peaches and cream oatmeal, baby, and put some bananas in there. Ooh, that's some good eating. Anyway, y'all, I just wanted to show you that. And guess how much we spent? A whopping $8.03. So you see sliced peaches. That is a 10-ounce bag. La preferida frijoles negros. Those were $1.49. Pound of beans. The organic bananas, those were $1.02. The kale was $1.19 each. So it came to $2.38. And to total with taxes was $8.03. So I hope that's helpful. Love y'all as always. Later. Mwah.